What's up, y'all? It's Landon Groves with Laced Up LLC. We're back with another video. Today we're doing a pair of medium olive Travis Scott 1 lows. Customer just wanted them cleaned up. The nubuck is looking ashy. There's a lot of scuffs and marks on the midsole. Outsole's a little dirty, so we're just gonna head straight into it. Right now, just filling the shoe up with socks, filling that toe box up with socks. You can do it with a shoe tree, but I'm just doing it to give me a firm surface. And obviously everybody has socks that they don't wear anymore. Instead of throwing them out, you can just use them as fillers. Now I'm using a Suede eraser. This basically just can erase some marks and stains out of Suede. Nubuck, I'm just trying to soften that nubuck material up. Even though I'm going to clean it, I'm just going to go ahead and pre-treat it with the Suede eraser. So here I'm using the soft bristle brush. I don't know if the Black Phantom Travis Scott 1 video is out before this, but you just don't want to oversaturate this nubuck material or Suede material. It causes the material to be very brittle, very stiff. You do not want that. It just makes a lot more work on you in the future. So I'm just trying to get the shoe as damp as possible as I can without messing up that material. Now I'm going in with a medium bristle brush, going at the midsole, and now I'm using the stiff bristle brush because the medium bristle brush really wasn't getting that dirt out like I wanted it to. So I'm just going to go ahead and hammer away that dirt and grime on the midsole and outsole. Now, after the stiff bristle brush, I'm going to be using the wire brush to get into some more tight spaces that stitching was stained. So obviously the wire brush is able to get that out. It's just going to be able to get some more dirt and grime out that the stiff bristle brush was not able to do. Shoes, the insoles are usually hard to take out. They're usually freshly glued in. So I'm just using the heat gun to warm up some of that glue so it becomes tacky, so I can flip it. After that, I lay the insole down and go on with a lint shaver to get whatever I can off the top, off the surface of the insole. Don't mind my lower body. I just got surgery on my ankle. But so yeah, just using a wire brush, using other brushes, lint shaver to get whatever I can off the top, off the surface, so when I do go in to clean it with the soft medium bristle brush, it's not picking up a lot of that excess material. Now, just like every other shoe, put the laces in the water solution, scrub away, squeeze the excess water and soap out, rinse and repeat. After that, put it between the towel and strain the rest of that water and soap out. It gets a lot of the stains out, a lot of stains that you think would not come out. Here I'm using the soft bristle brush because there were some stains that weren't able to come out with the scrubbing method. So all I'm doing is laying the laces flat, stretching them out so there's tension, so the fabric materials stretch out, space out, so that the water solution can do their work. Now after letting the shoe dry ample time, I go back in with the Suede eraser, just gonna lift some of that material up, soften that material up to get ready for when I use the mink oil. Now when using mink oil, sometimes you can do one coat and it's good. I did a few coats on these. Mink oil just softens the material up as well. It also brings back color, and it just helps with the longevity of the material. While I'm letting those sit, I'm going to use cotton balls or Q-tips and acetone to get the rest of those stains and markings off of that midsole, just scuffs that obviously weren't able to come out from the stiff bristle brush or the wire brush. Here again, just hitting it with the mink oil, letting it sit there. Gonna brush it through. I don't have much else to say. It's just a simple process of spray, let it sit for a couple minutes, let it set in, then hit it with Suede eraser or a brush. Now I'm just using a X-Acto knife to cut off the gray pieces on the tongue, on the rest of the shoe that are sticking out. You can also use a flame like I'm doing here, just a small lighter will do, just to make sure not to hold it too long or it can burn materials. With that being said, we're wrapping up lacing the shoes up. I just want to thank everyone for watching this video. Just yet another successful video being done and uploaded. I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me in the comment section. If you want any restorations or cleanings done, you can hit me at any of the links in the description below. If you have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or email, hit me there and I can get you with a quote today. Have a good time watching the rest of the video. Peace.